Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror reflection we have to change it to the front, and we can do it easily by tapping on this button here in the right corner. So hi again, and from here let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. So let's slide a little bit down to the general settings for now, and as you can see here we have the mirror reflection. So by using this button we can easily turn off and turn on this option here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.